number 9. You just keep on going, but out in front, that's Bain out there, car number 7, Greg Bain. Greg Bain, back to Enderby, right and sideways, just missed that jet on the fence, car number 36 there, Wayne Barton holding on the third spot. Look at this boy, car number 1, Glenny Oliver, he's coming up trying to hunt up there in the third spot, he wants the money, you don't get any prizes before. But out in front, Bain, I tell you what, Enderby's gone underneath him, that's Enderby in front in car number 25, and the big beauty started a big one sideways. That's Enderby, back to Bain, back to Barton, and Glenny Oliver in 4th position. Who's humped into Glenny Oliver there? Car number 40, have not got him on the program, we'll just call him someone. But Oliver's doing a great job there in car number 1. Look at the old Valiant Charger go over there, he's trying to increase his position, but he's got a bit of a way to catch Enderby. Enderby splits the difference between those two cars out in front like a dream. He said, thank you very much. He said, this is like eating cheesecake. And loves it. There he goes. Enderby over there. Car number 52. Look at the big ute go sideways. He looks for an outside run. Bain still holding on the second spot. Glenny Oliver pounced in. Oh, he pounced into the fence. He was about to get third, but he hit the fence. And that's going to give third place back to Holy Ghost. Let me pick him out. Cars back to front. That's, they're out everywhere. I've got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've got them. 25 Enderby, number 7 Bain, and 4th place there, number 40, who we don't know who he is. And he left the front wheel off the ground as he comes around. These Fender boys, they love their action. And look at this boy going in car number 25. We think it's Enderby out there. He's doing a great job. Bain's got a car between. He wants to catch up a fraction if he's going to make him go for it. But it's Enderby out in front, Bain, and Bain getting a big hunt there by car number 40. We've got Glenny Oliver, he's out in the race, or he's way back in the field. Can you get his up there, please? Up down. Righto, the race is still in action. Glenny Oliver's back on the track. We got, later we got Bain, we've lost him over at the bottom. We've lost Bain, that's going to give our leader, who we got? Second flag, there he is, Enderby. Second place getter there, car number 40, but not sure who he is. And third place getter, I think I'd have to give it to car number 29, that'll be Kevin Taylor. But I'm sure the girls up here doing the lap scoring will correct me. That car's not on fire, ladies and gentlemen, that's just an instrument lamp. Tonight we've got Kenny Croft, Peter Pedro Smith, Barry Lauritsen out to start again. Barry had a great second placing in that last event he came in. This is only event